Quick question. Be honest. How many times did you want to speak English but stayed silent because your grammar wasn't perfect?
Hmm. If you're listening right now, I'm guessing too many times.
And that's exactly why your English isn't improving. Not because you're bad, but because you're waiting for something that native speakers don't even use.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Robert.
And I'm Emma. And if grammar has been stopping you from speaking English, this episode might change how you see everything.
Emma, let's be honest. Most learners believe one dangerous idea.
Yes, they believe if my grammar isn't perfect, I shouldn't speak.
And that belief freezes them.
Exactly. It turns English into a test, not a language,
Yeah, they treat conversation like an exam,
right? And nobody enjoys exams.
especially daily exams with native speakers.
Grammar itself isn't bad. The problem is how people use it.
They try to think about grammar while speaking.
Exactly. Past tense, present perfect, conditionals, all at once.
No wonder they panic. I had a student once who told me, I can write English perfectly, but when I speak, I feel stupid.
That's so common.
And you know what? Their English wasn't bad at all.
It never is. Fear just makes it sound bad. Here's the first thing everyone needs to understand. Speaking and writing are not the same skill.
Say that again.
Speaking is fast, emotional, imperfect. Writing is slow, planned, corrected.
But learners mix them.
Yes, they try to write in their head while speaking.
That's like trying to edit a photo while running.
Exactly. You'll fall. Let me ask you something, listener. Do you stop speaking because you're checking grammar in your head?
If yes, stay with us. Here's something shocking. Native speakers make grammar mistakes all the time.
All the time.
They say things like, me and him went there,
Which is grammatically wrong, but totally normal.
and nobody cares.
Exactly, because the message is clear. In speaking, clarity is more important than correctness.
That changes everything.
If people understand you, communication works. Listen to these two sentences. 1. Yesterday, I go to market. 2. Yesterday, I went to the market.
Second one is correct.
Yes, but did you understand the first one?
Of course.
Then communication succeeded.
So beginners don't need perfect grammar.
They need courage and permission to be imperfect. Your brain can't focus on grammar and confidence at the same time.
It chooses survival.
Exactly. So remove grammar pressure while speaking. When you speak English, make one rule. I will not correct myself.
That's scary.
Yes, but powerful.
Your inner grammar teacher will scream.
Yes, ignore them.
Okay, Emma. If grammar isn't the focus, what should people focus on?
Message, emotion, connection.
That sounds human.
Think about a child learning to speak.
They don't know grammar rules.
But they communicate perfectly. English is not a test you pass or fail.
It's a tool.
Yes, and tools don't need to be perfect to work.
A hammer doesn't need grammar.
Exactly. Try this today. Speak for 1 minute and don't stop for grammar.
Just keep going.
Yes, even if it feels messy.
Emma, we haven't even talked about the biggest grammar lie yet.
Yes. The lie that keeps people silent for years.
All right, now I need to hear this.
We'll break it down next.
All right, Emma. You said there's a big grammar lie that keeps people silent for years. I feel like a lot of listeners are waiting for this.
Yes. And honestly, Robert, this lie is everywhere. Schools, courses, YouTube comments, even teachers repeat it.
Okay, what is it?
The lie is this: you must fix your grammar while you speak.
Oh, yeah. That one hurts.
It really does, because the moment you try to fix grammar while speaking, your confidence dies.
Let's explain why. Why is fixing grammar while speaking such a problem?
Because speaking is real time. There's no pause button in real conversations.
Life doesn't wait.
Exactly. Your brain has two options: communicate, analyze grammar. You can't do both well at the same time.
It's like trying to calculate math while running after a bus.
Yes, you'll either miss the bus or get the answer wrong. Let me ask you, listener, have you ever started a sentence and then stopped because you thought, wait, is this correct?
If yes, you're not alone. Emma, let's talk about something controversial. Broken English.
Yes, people are scared of that phrase.
They think broken English equals bad English.
But in reality, broken English often works better than silent, perfect English. Imagine someone says, me no understand this part.
Grammar? Wrong.
Message? Very clear.
Exactly.
Communication happened. That's the goal of language.
Not perfection.
Confidence grows when you keep talking, not when you stop to fix mistakes.
Momentum matters.
Yes, stopping breaks the flow.
It's like dancing and suddenly stopping to check your steps.
Exactly. Just keep dancing.
Native speakers don't correct themselves that much, do they?
No, they rephrase, not correct.
What's the difference?
Correction focuses on mistakes. Rephrasing focuses on clarity. A native speaker might say, yesterday I went there.
They didn't apologize.
Exactly. They just continued. Every time you say, your confidence drops.
True.
Better strategy? Just continue naturally.
That feels scary at first.
Yes, but confidence always feels scary in the beginning. Here are 3 rules for speaking practice. Rule 1, no stopping. Rule 2, no apologizing. Rule 3, no grammar checking.
Just message and meaning.
Let's do a quick practice together. Say this sentence without stopping. Well, yesterday I go to store and buy some food and it was nice.
Not perfect, but confident.
Exactly. If you're listening right now and thinking, but my English is bad,
It's not bad.
it's just unfinished, and that's okay.
Fear comes from judgment.
Yes, but most people aren't judging your grammar.
They're listening to your story.
People remember stories, not grammar rules.
That's powerful.
You don't know English, you use English.
Like driving.
Yes, you don't think about rules while driving.
Imagine stopping the car to remember traffic rules.
Disaster. For the next 7 days, do this. Speak English for 5 minutes a day. No corrections, no stopping.
Just flow. Emma, let's say it clearly.
You don't need perfect grammar to speak English.
You need courage.
And consistency.
Next episode, we'll talk about something painful.
Why translating in your head is slowing you down.
Oh, that's a big problem.
Don't miss it.